All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their 2-tier bathroom counter organizer. Let's open it up and take a look at it. Got everything in the box. That's it for the box. And so, just slide everything out of here, looks like. Corner pieces, very nice. Here's a little pamphlet showing you how it goes together. Well, guess we got this one, so they've got multiple here. This is the one we have, so I'll actually throw this together real quick for you. Take out this and take out this. What are those? Little clips. Okay. And so you basically take one of these this way and this. So this goes down here and then slides into place there like so. And then we repeat that on the top here. Just like that, slide it down into place, and then we just take the other one and kind of repeat that same thing. All right, slide on down, and bingo. So there we go. Our 2-tier bathroom counter organizer is done. You can put, cologne, makeup, deodorant, etc., and then some taller items up here, and set this in your corner and have a little more room in your bathroom. So that'll do it for this unboxing. Again, thanks to this company for sending it to me, and thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.